Are you struggling to manage large-scale B2B orders or custom pricing requests on your Shopify store? Displaying fixed prices might discourage potential buyers, especially when they're looking to negotiate or place bulk orders. Introducing the Request, a quote app by Addify. This app allows you to hide product prices, replace the Add to Cart button with an Add to Quote button, and collect quote requests effortlessly using a fully customizable quotation form. Upon clicking the Add to Quote button, users will be seamlessly redirected, either directly or via a pop-up, to a customized quote submission form. After completing the required fields, they can submit their request by clicking the Submit Quote button. The customer and the admin will receive an immediate notification, and the admin can review the quote, engaging in negotiations as needed. The admin has the option to accept the quote and convert it into an order or adjust the proposed price, resending the updated offer to the customer via email notification. Customers will receive the quote as a professional PDF attachment through email, where they can conveniently accept or decline the offer. Customers can also submit quotations through the cart page by clicking on the Cart to Quote button. Let's see how the app works. Click on the Sales channel and go to the online store. Click Customize Theme. Now click App Embed to enable it. After enabling the app embed, click on Apps and go to the Request, a quote app. Open the Quote Rules section and create a new rule. Now, select the customers and products to which this rule will apply. You can also choose to select guest users as well as out-of-stock products. Now choose whether to hide the price and the Add to Cart button. You can select from multiple restriction options. Once you've configured the settings, click the Save button. Now, open the Quote Fields tab to configure the form settings. Here, you can create a fully customizable quotation form using more than 9 different field types, including text fields, file upload, drop-down, and more. To add a new field, click on the Add Field button. Customize the field name, type, placeholder, and make it required or optional. Click Save to apply the settings. To view and manage received quotes, go to the All Quotes tab. Here, you can see all the pending, accepted, and rejected quotes. Click on any quote to view details. Here, along with quote details, you can also make edits and change the quote status, such as accepted, declined, in progress, and more. You can also choose to notify your customers whenever the quote status changes. Admins can manually create quote requests for customers who place orders in person or via phone calls. To do this, the admin will first register the customer. Then click the Add Quote button. Next, they can search for the customer by an email, add the desired products with specified prices, quantities, and shipping costs, and save the rule to finalize the request. Save the settings and convert quotes to orders efficiently. Now, open the General settings. Here you'll find various customization options, including quote basket styles, the action taken after the Add to Quote button is pressed, the quote page layout, and much more. You can also choose to disable the quote basket for specific customers. Additional options include custom text for the quote basket, quote submission messages, and PDF quote sending options for both admins and customers. Now open the Email section. Here you will find all the email notification events. You can update the email messages whenever needed. Next, set up Google CAPTCHA by activating it and entering the Google Site key and secret key, which you can obtain from Google. In the Quote Attributes section, you can enable the product price and offered price for the quote basket. The Quote Submit button section provides customization options for the Submit and Cart to Quote buttons, including custom text, text color, and background color. Now, open the PDF layout settings. Here you can add a custom company name, address, and company logo to be displayed on the PDF. Choose from multiple PDF layouts based on your requirements and customize them with your preferred text and background colors. You can also include custom terms and conditions in the PDF. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.